My name's Mike Bowyer. I'm with SureClean House Washing and Steam Cleaning. What I want to do is I'm going to show you how easy it is using my system, that it is to clean off all the dirt, mold, and mildew out of brick, woodwork, and vinyl, and also clean that iron off of that siding up there and get the gutters white. And I just want you to take and watch how I do it. And if you're interested in my system, my website is www.cleanoutadebt, that's CLEANOUTTA debt.com, or call me at 304-222-1353. Now I'm going to take and rinse, and you'll see that the gutters will be white, the siding's clean with all the black gone, and also all the iron. Put it in the water, Peter. What I'm doing is rinsing the siding and the gutters, and you'll notice I got a 4-foot wand that I use, and I don't have to do no scrubbing. I'm doing a 2-story building from the ground. If you're interested in this system and learning how to do it with no royalties, no franchise fees, owning your own business, contact me at www.cleanoutadebt, www.cleanoutadebt.com, or call me at 304-222-1353.